Hi everybody, I'm Jenny Sauer. I'm a mobile solutions specialist with the USDA APHIS, PPQ, and User Tools group. First, I want to show you where you can find some more information and training that might be of help. Here we are at the Mobile Data Collection Tools webpage, which is a piece of the APHIS public-facing website. I would recommend bookmarking it and watching it for new training as it becomes available. As you can see, the top half of this has training documents and separate pages that take you to general documentation, including ArcGIS Survey123. If I click this general link, it takes me to another page. The Survey123 document here, if I open it, is a Getting Started guide, and this series of videos is going to take you through the steps outlined in this guide. So I'd have a look at this while watching these videos. Installing Survey123 is super simple. Start with what you know. Here's the Mobile Data Collection Tools webpage. Start here. Remember to scroll down to the General, where you've got ArcGIS Survey123 information. Click on that link to go to the General Training Documents page. Search for ArcGIS Survey123. Here it is. And open this Getting Started guide. Now this table of contents ought to take you to what you need, and here we are, install the application. You can see that the application is configured to be used on either a mobile device, Android or Apple products for instance, or a desktop PC. I'm going to show you how to install it on the PC, and here you are with everything you need. There's a few things you need to know to be prepared, so go ahead and go to this URL to find the Esri products to Survey123. And once the ArcGIS Survey123 resources page on Esri's website loads, you'll have to scroll down quite a bit, almost to the bottom. I don't want to make you dizzy, but here you are to launch and downloads. And you've got three options here. They should be fairly clear because they're described. View results or create new surveys, fill out or edit surveys, make and share a survey. You're going to want this middle one, the ArcGIS Survey123 field app, and then you're going to choose the appropriate download for your PC. Most often this Windows x64. All you have to do is click here and install. Back to this Getting Started guide. In case you are a little confused on which to download, here's a screenshot showing you that you want the ArcGIS Survey123 field app, and most likely you want Windows 64-bit as the download. But you can see that your Getting Started guide takes you through every step of the way. It should only take a couple minutes to download, and once it's complete, this little icon in Figure 4 will show up at the bottom of your computer screen, which you'll want to open and click Next, I accept license, Next, and finally Finish to complete the install. Once the install is complete, Survey123 will open on your computer automatically for your use. How about installing Survey123 on a mobile device? Again, follow the path from the Mobile Data Collection Tools to reference what you know. Remember, the General section has information on Survey123. Tap that General link to go to the General page, locate Survey123, and open this ArcGIS Survey123 Getting Started guide. Here in the guide, the table of contents tells you everything you need to know. To install the application on a mobile device, go ahead and click on Mobile Device. And there you are. There's your instructions. Again, there's some things to be aware of to be prepared for this process, and you want to take note of those. And again, step 3, needing an e-authentication ID and password, really is not related to installation, but comes in later when you need to sign into the government portal and gain access to a survey. So you want to keep these steps in mind to be prepared. Finally, there are two ways on a government-managed iPad, which is what I'll show you today, to install or locate the Survey123 app. One is through the General App Store, and this is the case with both Android and iOS devices. It's located there for free, and just search for it by name, ArcGIS Survey123. And the Apps at Work app on the government computer also has Survey123 sitting there waiting for you. Let's have a look on my iPad. Here's a view of my iPad, and in order to find Survey123, which I actually already have installed here, I'll show you how to find it in Apps at Work. Let's tap Apps at Work. This will open Apps at Work on a Safari browser and can take a few seconds to load. You can go to this search and search for it by name, or look for it in the home view. I'll tap home so you see. And these are all the featured apps that I have available to me, approved for download. And you can see there's ArcGIS Survey123 right there. I could search for it also by name. And you can see it comes up pretty quickly. Survey123 is the second one down. I'm going to go ahead and tap that. And here I have a button that says reinstall. If it was not installed, the option there would be install, and I just tap that install button and give it a moment to update. Also, on a government iPad, it is allowable to go to the App Store and look for apps to download. It's recommended that you use Apps at Work because that has your best approval rating there set up. But we can go ahead and search here. I'll type in ArcGIS, and you can already see all of the ArcGIS things that pop up. Survey123 is this fourth one down. If I tap that, we've got the ability to open Survey123 right here in the App Store. And that would be the same also for Android stores. The Apple Play Store, the Google Play Store, any app store has ArcGIS Survey123 available for download and install. It's really that easy.